Indiana 131311 back in another banger unboxing we did. We got Dead of Night 1940 something. It's considered one of the holy grails of the horror movie genre, guys. Dead of Night, one of the scariest movies ever made in the entire planet, guys. Dead of Night Blu-ray, guys. This movie looks scary. 1945. Just unboxing. Oh. Whoa. Kino movies all look the same inside, sadly. Spam. Not the reason that well, tomorrow's depressing school, guys. Tomorrow's depressing school, man. Ooh, Dead of Night. So fucking hyped for this movie, man. So hyped. No doubt this Dead of Night has lots of hidden charms. It's about a guy with a killer dummies, like people telling stories or something, from what I heard. And yeah, man, I love movies. These goodies, classics, oldies. The cover is so fucking good, though. The movie's definitely gonna be one of the best. And if you don't know, now you know, and bye.